So we are going to review how to perform the banded lunge into single leg balance. This is a much more dynamic movement than your stationary lunges, and it's going to provide you that extra feedback to learn how to get your hips through, especially when you're in a single leg balance position. So what I'm going to use is a long super band, and I'm going to have to connect it to something a little bit more sturdier so it doesn't fall when I put my body through the band. We're going to step into the loop that we've created. Should be about hips width level. And step far enough so that you can feel the resistance from the band. From here, you're going to slowly drop back into that half kneeling position or lunge position. Get into this nice 90-90. Square my hips to the front. Hover that back knee. I'm going to push off the ball of the back foot and load into this front leg. Slowly drop back down. And you can switch sides. Get into position. Hover. Now you don't have to do alternating. You could actually go into a lunge, into a single leg hold, like so. So this is a hold variation. As you can tell, there's a little bit of pullback, so it's okay. Just try and hold it as long as you can, maintaining balance through that forefoot and getting the hips through.